Hey folks, the video that you're going to have a look at is a video of me making strawberry pear cider. I had the video fully done and it's been on the computer for a long time. And today when I was going to post it, I said, you know what? I have a video on making wine. I have a video on making beer. I have a video talking about what equipment you may need and how you're going to sanitize it and stuff like that. Because I cut this down to about 3 minutes because I wanted to have a little intro to it and explain why I did that. Over the past year and months, I've been reading all about it. I mean, if you look around, you can see things that's bad. And I was reading about the food banks going out of business in Ontario and Alberta, BC, out east. And they're saying that there's so many people using the food bank, they can't keep up. There's more using than contributing. Now, take away, there's always people that have used the food bank when they shouldn't. Take away them, you always had that. But now you're looking at working people having to go to the food bank to get food so that they got the money to put on their mortgage. Okay? My heart goes out to you. We're all suffering. I'm suffering. You're suffering. We're all suffering. But when you're in that situation, there's nothing worse than worrying about if you got a roof over your head and trying to take care of your children, or it's just terrible. So my heart goes out to you. So this was, I hope this video inspires anybody, encourages someone that likes to have a beer, likes to have a glass of wine, especially in summer. You know, you enjoy the little luxuries in life. In summer, we kind of drink a little more. We enjoy family more. You're traveling. So, you know, if this video encourages you to make your own beer or wine or spirits, then that's what I wanted. Just to give you an idea how much you can save. Where I am, a case of beer, 12 pack of Coors Light is roughly $33. Okay. What do you get for $33? You get 12 bottles of 341 milliliters, which carry 1 and 10. And so you're looking at what, 4,000 milliliters, give or take. For that same money, for almost that same money, you can buy a kit and your corn sugar for making beer. What do that give you? That gives you 23 liters of beer. So 23,000 milliliters for the same price as 4,000 milliliters. Unless you work for the government, you should know what is going to benefit you. I'd rather pay $33 for 23,000 milliliters than $33 for one 12 pack, right? Wine. Let's just go with a one liter bottle. Now, it's 750 mils in the store, but we'd just round that off to a liter, okay? We'd give that benefit to them. 1 liter bottle is about $20. Okay, $20. That's if you're lucky to get it for that. So that's $20 for 1 liter bottle of wine, per se. This kit, you can go and for $100, not on sale, you can get 2 kits. That 2 kits is going to give you 46 bottles of wine, 46 liters. To keep the math simple, we said at the store is only $7.50, but we said a liter, okay? So $20 for a liter at the store. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 5 bottles of wine is going to cost you the same as the wine kit at Costco. Not on sale, okay? So that's going to give you roughly 46 bottles of wine. Take away 5, you got 41 bottles up and above. That's how much you can save. So anyway, have a look at the video. Hopefully it encourages you to jump in and make your own. It can be tedious. It can be a little tricky with wine. It all depends. Once you get the process, you'll know it down to a T. And sanitization is key, and you'll be all right. Hopefully this helps you. Welcome back to the channel, boys and girls, and today I'm excited to share with you what we're making. We're making strawberry and pear cider. This is the brand that I'm using. You can use any one that you want. First, you pour in the contents of the bag into the bucket. Make sure everything is clean, but then you add 1 kilogram of corn sugar and give it a good old stir. Make sure you give it a good stir. Next, you add your yeast. And then you add your sweetener. And you save any extra flavoring that they give you for later. Okay, whatever that is, the essence and so on. Then you fill it up to 23 liters. Then you put the cover on. And by the way, I just want to plug another video. If you are wondering how to sanitize your equipment, check out our previous videos on making beer and wine, and you'll see it there. And folks, it's that simple. Really is that simple. Now, you're going to fill it up to the 23 liters, like I said. You're going to put the cover on, and you're going to put the hair lock on, and you're going to let it sit until it reaches the right specific gravity. It usually takes about 4 days or so, and for this particular product, you want it at about 1.015 specific gravity, as it says in your instructions. And you can start bottling once it reaches that. Easy as pie, my friend. And there you have it, a delicious homemade cider, ready for you to enjoy, to share with your friends while you're out on a hot summer's day. And I just want to say, enjoy.